What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna find out how to determine a bad igniter. So I got everything set up. Here's my multimeter. We'll put it on volts. Here's our igniter. Now when I turn it on, there's no glow. You can hear the gas valve clicking on, but we have no glowing rod. So we're gonna take this off. And we're gonna insert our two probes from the multimeter here. So take your multimeter. So my multimeter is set to volts. Here's the connection for the igniter. We're gonna take our probes from the multimeter and put them in each tab. Now we're gonna run the unit. Switched on. It's running. Here's the click. 120. Now take these off. So you can see, plug it in. It's plugged in. No flame, no igniting, anything. That's how you can tell you have a bad igniter. So now we're going to replace it. So guys, another telltale of a bad igniter is white. If it looks like this, hands down, 10 out of 10, most likely you have a bad igniter. So igniter was replaced, and let's give it a run. Here we go. Like and subscribe for more educational videos like this.